you're helping people learn how to take risks, right? Oh, you want to be an entrepreneur? You want to be a business owner? Remember, like I was saying, like the differentiation between the big business and small business. The big business takes risks. They take the data, they make data-informed decisions, right? That's why Nike preps people for the release of the new retro. Because the data says, oh, if we prime them, they're gonna show up in droves.
That's smart. That's smart.
Right? The small business people are afraid to take risks because they clutching their pearls.